What's up, guys? It's 𝗻𝗡𝗄𝗡, and today I'll be showing you guys a note pattern that will pretty much make every melody you throw down sound good. So this is the sound we have. All right, and I just want to show you the pattern and then show you how to make a melody with it real quick. So we'll just grab in a scale. I'm going to use a minor. Let's do a D minor. Okay, and this will work in pretty much any like key or scale. So I'm gonna just show you the pattern right now. I'm gonna change the color to something that we can see. So this is the pattern starting from, so if you go from a D minor from your root up, right, you want to use all these half steps here, right? So you want all the tension, okay? And then the other note that you want, and this is first, you want, let me delete this, you want the C. So this is the pattern. This will work every time, okay? This is the pattern you want. So even if you're in a different key, you transpose, let's go up 3, this pattern stays true, okay? 100%. This is the pattern that you want, okay? Now the easy way to remember is just all of the tension, the half steps in your scale, and then you want the note behind your root, right? That's the easiest way. So there you have it. Now I'm gonna just show you how it works, or just make a melody really. Let's transpose this back to D minor just to stay consistent, and I'm gonna throw this off to the side just so you can see. Probably pull it up a little bit, and I'm gonna just throw in like a little pattern. We could do like a, let's do a fifth. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Oops. Now the way to remember the fifth is either up 7, place a note, or just 6 spaces in between. That's pretty much, and then we can just do something like this and then humanize it. Boom. And then we can just copy this over. Boom. All right, that's simple. And now we're going to use this for our melody. So you could just peek over here and see. So we start the A, and then we can use these. And I'm going to take this, pull this down. Let's add some rhythm. Shift D to make that a little bit smaller. I'm going to chop that up, and then let's zoom in. And we can use the same notes. Just remember kind of those same notes. And then we're going to bump up here. I wish there was a way to like reset the view so I don't have to keep scrolling. But we're going to take these. And I think this is good for a loop. A nice little 2-bar melody loop. Let's play it. Right, and you can obviously do more and play around. This is just supposed to be quick. Now, if you want a little bit of variation, you also can use other notes too. So I'm gonna just play it and see what I like. So we can use this G since it's already in our harmony, right? And then we use that C. And I like this because you don't have to think. You just already know what notes to use because it's written for you. You just gotta line them up. And that's pretty much it. So this is the pattern. Just remember this, okay? Zoom in, remember this pattern. All of the tension, half steps, and then you want the note before your root. So you just want that note right at that C, okay? Pull it over. I'll play it one more time. I'll probably make a beat with this later or something like that. But for now, we could just keep this MIDI. All right, so that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.